Welcome! I'm Aline Cutt, the Children's Librarian at Abilene Public Library. I'm here today to show you a mouse craft inspired by Garth Williams' Stuart Little. Garth Williams was a calf illustrator, and he's illustrated such notable books as Little House on the Prairie and Charlotte's Web, and of course, Stuart Little. So here is our craft that we'll be making today. It's so super easy and fun to do. And the first thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to fold our white piece of paper over in half, and we're going to draw half a heart. Like that. Then we're going to cut out the heart. There you go. So here's our heart. This is going to be the body of our mouse. The next thing we'll do is we'll make the ears. So we're going to take some pink paper. And you can, to make the circles, you can use a bottle cap lid or freehand it. I'm going to use the lid of my glue stick. And you're just going to trace out 2 circles. Like so. And I've already got my circles pre-cut. So you'll use your glue and add a little bit of glue to the ears. And about there looks good. Take it on the other side, like so. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the yarn, and you can either use yarn or if you have scrap ribbon at home, either one works. Cut out a little bit. This is going to be his tail. And you're going to put some glue in the crease here in the center. And this is where we're going to stick our tail, just like that. And then we will be adding the glue around the edges. Fold it over. And go squish, squish, squish so it's nice and tight. And here we have our mouse. And now all we have to do, you can use a crayon, marker, colored pencil. We're going to draw in the nose and some whiskers. And then finally the eye. So now you have a super fun mouse, just like Stuart Little, that you can take on an adventure with. Be sure to check out Stuart Little's book at the Abilene Public Library. Thanks for watching.